is the law?
Angle of
Yeah.
incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection.
Angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. Okay. So angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. That means I is equal to R. What is angle of incident, Raksha? What is angle of incident?
Ma'am, a ray of light striking an object, ma'am.
Ma'am,
No,
the angle
angle,
between the
angle.
normal and the
Angle
incident.
between the incident ray and the
So many
normal.
Rakshas in the class. I don't know. So many Rakshas in the class.
Incident ray and the normal.
Raksha, this is Raksha. I want Raksha to answer. Raksha, answer.
The angle which an incident line or ray makes with the normal at the point of incidence.
Super. That is correct answer. The angle between the incident ray and the normal ray. Angle between the incident. This is normal. Normal means perpendicular line, 90 degree. So angle between the incident ray and the normal ray is called incident angle of incident. Angle between the reflected ray and the normal is called angle of reflection. But now we are going to learn refraction. What is this refraction? So where will you see? Whenever there is a medium changes, there are two media. Okay, if the light changes from one medium to another medium, the speed of the light is changing the direction. That phenomena is called refraction of light. For example, glass slab. Now, if the ray goes like this, the ray has to go like this only. But instead of going like this, the speed will decrease and it comes like this. It changes the direction. Then again it will come like this. So this is called refraction. Okay, the refraction of light means when a ray of light passes from one medium to another medium. Here it is going from air to glass slab. Air to glass slab. So rarer medium to denser medium. When a ray of light passes from one medium to another medium, the direction changes. This is called refraction of light. Okay, so effect of refraction of light, when you see you are in your altar in with God, some people you will put lemon in the water, right? Yes, no? Lemon you will put.
Yes,
That
ma'am.
lemon will look big. Did you observe? The lemon will look bigger than the original size. Why?
Refraction.
Because there's change in the medium
Yes, ma'am.
for the light.
Yeah.
Air,
Mm.
because the light passes from the air to the water.
Yeah, because of this reason only, refraction of light only. The lemon looks bigger because the light comes from the glass to glass tumbler to air. So denser to airer medium. When it is coming, it appears big because of the changes of the direction. This is the effect of refraction of light. All these are effect of refraction of light. Swimming pool. When you think in a swimming pool, what will happen? Sometimes those who are going for swimming pool will know. They will think the swimming pool is not very deep. No, it is shallow only we can enter. While entering only, it will be very deep. So that is the original depth. It is deeper than the original depth. So the swimming pool of water appears to be less deep than it actually is. This is also effect of, the effects are very important. The effect of refraction of light. And when you keep a stick in the glass tumbler, you take obliquely. If you are in the class, we can do all this from physics lab, we can take it and we can explain. No, we are not in the class. You can take it in your house and you can refer. Okay, take a glass tumbler, take one pencil sticker, take a glass tumbler, pencil you keep, and here you keep, and you see the pencil will look bent. It is obliquely. When you keep obliquely, the partial immersed in water appears to be bent. Here what will happen? It will be like this. No, it has to go like this. Instead of going like this, it will be like this. This is apparent. Apparent means appears to bend. Will not really bend. Appears to bend. Apparently, a stick held obliquely and partially immersed in water appears to be bent at the surface. All this takes place at the boundary. All this takes place at the boundary of two medium. What is medium? You know what is medium? Medium is singular. Media is plural. Okay, medium is singular. Now, when two different surfaces, one is air and one is glass. When the light travels from air to glass, it changes its direction. That is why refraction takes place. The effect of refraction only this stick or pencil kept obliquely inside the water. And also a object appears to be bigger in raised up. Coin, you keep a coin and see, keep a coin in the water first. And then you pour the water. The coin appears to be raised up here. As though the coin is little near to you, it will look. This is the reason of effect. We are going to learn all this detail in this lesson. Okay, today only introduction. So we can have, we can just understand this and go to the detailed procedure. Okay, effect of refraction of light. Now, refraction of light, again we'll go back to refraction of light. Refraction of light means what? When a ray of light passes from one medium to another medium, the direction changes. That is called refraction of light. This takes place at the boundary of the media. When the two medium meet, that boundary. This takes place at the boundary. Okay, that much is the refraction of light definition. And effects of refraction, you can write the stick obliquely kept inside the water. Can you hear me, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. Yeah, the stick obliquely kept appears to be bent, and the lemon inside the water appears to look big. You can write, and then stars appears twinkle also because of this. We are going to learn detail how this refraction of light takes place all over. Okay, we are going to learn all that. Don't worry, we'll learn detail. Now, first glass slab. If you have a glass slab, it's nice. We don't have a glass slab, children. So please adjust. This is the glass slab. Okay, this is the glass slab. Incident ray. You know what is incident ray? A ray which strikes the surface. Strikes the surface. So I have to use a scale actually. Still, I'm not good in using this laptop. Okay. Correct. I'll move away. Yeah. Now this is incident ray, the ray which strikes the boundary. Now there is a normal ray. What do you mean by normal ray?
The ray which is perpendicular to the
Perpendicular.
Very good. It's perpendicular 90 degree to the surface is called normal ray. So this is incident ray. You should write incident ray. Okay. The angle between incident ray and the normal ray is called angle of incident. Angle of incident. Okay. In reflection, angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. That is reflection, law of reflection. But refraction, it is not the same because there is a change in the direction. Now, before we go to this, why there is a change? Can anybody say why there is a change?
Because
speed of the light.
Because there is a change in medium.
Yeah, someone have seen the book and telling, very good, but you should
no,
say from your mind.
ma'am.
There's medium in the object.
Medium
Okay.
changes.
Correct. The medium changes
Yeah.
because of the speed. Correct. Speed. See, for example, I'll give you an example. See, obstacle race. Suppose I am telling, who's the fastest runner in your class? Raksha?
Mithun.
Mithun. Suppose I'm telling Mithun to run in the corridor. Okay. Suppose I'm telling Mithun to run in the school corridor. Imagine we are in 10th C room. We are telling Mithun to come run from the first one end to till the staff room he has to run. Okay. Now, we imagine we are keeping, suppose we are in the school means we can do all this. We can keep a stopwatch. Okay. And how long it will take to run from that one end to that staff room? Can you guess? 30 seconds, Mithun. We are going to check. Mithun should answer. Mithun, how long it will take to run from one end to staff room?
20 seconds, 20.
So Mithun is promising 20 seconds. We will check while one school reopens. First experiment is this only. Okay. We'll make Mithun to run from one end to another round. He said 20 seconds he will take. Okay. Suppose you imagine. So 20 seconds he is running from the corridor, one end to another end. Suppose in the corridor I put many benches in the middle. In the middle, the way he is running, I'm putting many benches. Like obstacle race. You know obstacle race? Did your PTs do anytime obstacle race? You know what is obstacle race?
Hurdle.
No. They keep benches. They should go inside the bench and over the bench. First one, you should go inside. Obstacle
Ma'am,
rays.
we should jump over the,
It's echoing. Hello.
ma'am, we should jump over the benches now, ma'am.
Yeah, you should go under the bench and over the bench. First time you should go under, second time you should over. So many benches, when I put one, you should go under, one, you should go over. Now you tell Mithun how long you will take to reach.
Ma'am,
On
about
5
1 minute.
benches I'm putting. On 5
1 minute.
benches I put one bench, you should go under the bench, another one over the bench, or you should jump and you should come. So how long you will take?
1 minute 30 seconds or something.
You will take 1 minute. Good. So it is increasing. See that the speed is becoming. So time is increasing means what? Speed is decreasing. Why there is a speed decrease? Why there is a speed decrease? Because of the
Obstacle.
Correct. No, that is what. This is the reason for refraction. Why? If they're asking what is the reason for refraction, you should write from rarer to denser. The density is changing, so that the speed is decreasing. See, the air is rarer medium. The air is rarer medium. Glass slab is denser medium. Little density is more, and again air is rarer. So when the light comes from rarer medium to denser medium, the speed of the light, see the speed of the light is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 in the air. 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per. Okay, the speed of the light, speed of the light in the air is how much? 3 into 10 to the power of 8.
But
8 is not coming. Okay, I'm trying to write 8. Okay, 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second in air. Okay, in denser medium, that is in the glass, the speed of the light will be 2. 2 into 10 to the power of 8. What happened? The speed decreases. That is why there will be a change in the direction. So suppose if they're asking the question, give reason for refraction of light. What will you write? You will write the reason for the refraction of light is the speed of the light in different medium. Rarer medium, the speed of the light is 3 into 10 to the power of rarer medium, speed of the light is in air 3 into 10 to the power of 8. In glass 2 into 10 to the power of 8. So what happened? The speed decreases. That is why there is a refraction. Okay, now this incident ray should go like this, children. Incident ray should go like this, correct?
Ma'am, one small doubt, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, in the rain, ma'am, the water drop from the cloud reaches the ground. What the speed, ma'am?
Again in the rain actually we can't see, no, right? We can't see the changes. Boundary only we can see the refraction. Full air is same medium, we can't see. Boundary when you go, you can see the difference. When you can't see the boundary, we are seeing one medium, so we will not have any difference. And again, again we are going to learn about this one. What is it? Spectrum. The 7 colors we are going to learn. All that we'll learn detail. Okay. Now instead of this incident ray should go like this. Okay. Instead of going like this, it will have changes. It will come like this. This is not at all working. I don't know to work. It is working. Only I don't know to act. Instead of going straight like this, children, see this incident ray has to go like this. Instead of going like this, the speed is decreasing and coming like this. The speed will come like this. Very nice. Don't want the scale only for us. If the scale is there, we are getting confused. Okay. Instead of incident ray moving like this, children, it moves like this. Okay. This is telling I am wrong. Okay. So then what happened? Instead of going like this, it moving like this. So here angle of incident is bigger than angle of refraction. Angle of incident is greater than angle of refraction. Angle of incident is greater than angle of refraction. Now again, this is the first process. This is the incident ray. This is the refracted ray. This ray is, see, suppose A, B, C. AB is incident ray. AB is incident ray. BC is refracted ray. BC is refracted ray. Angle I is angle of incident. R is angle of refraction. So from rarer medium to denser medium, I is bigger. Okay, that's all. Now, second process. Second process goes.
Yes, ma'am.
Second process is from denser to rarer. Now, glass slab is like this. Okay, glass slab is like this. Now, this ray is going like this. Now, okay. This is telling I am wrong. It's going, suppose. Now from year to year again it is going. From denser medium to rarer medium it is going. Denser medium to rarer medium. So glass is a denser medium, air is a rarer medium. Again first process rarer to denser. Second process denser to rarer. Again normal will be there. It will move away more. Here angle of incident will be smaller. It is smaller than angle of refraction because it's moving from denser to rarer. See, then it will be more. R will be more. So you will be doing this in your hand. Everyone have to do this experiment in the school. At present, you try to learn the textbook and learn this classwork, whatever I'm giving. When you go to school, first we'll do activity only, experiment only. Whatever we missed, we are doing activity first. Okay, everyone, I'll give you one class lab. You need to put a point pin. We'll give you point pin here, and once incident ray you should draw. Okay, and you should do it for 30 degree. You should use protractor, and normally you should draw and put 30 degree one line, and you should put one point pin. And what happened? You should see your eyes should be here. Your eyes should be here this side, and you must see. I'm very bad in drawing, children. Don't laugh, okay? I know you're laughing, correct? No? Ma'am don't know to draw on eyes. Correct?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So you adjusted. You know, Gina ma'am is like that. Okay. Eyes. Eyes are here. You should see from here. And how this pin, see that pin and you should put two more pin. That is your experiment. Your experiment in math, science lab, physics lab is, what is your experiment? What you should do is, you should first draw perpendicular line 90 degree. And then from here 0 to 30 you should take. And you should draw incident ray. In that incident ray, you should pin two pins. See the two pins and you should pin two more. That means all the four from your eyes. When you look at your eye, when you through your eye, when you see, all the 4 point pins will look straight line. But actually it is not moving in straight line. Okay. Seeing that, and you will point and remove everything, and then you will join this refracted line. This is incident ray, this is refracted ray, and this is otherwise called as emergent ray. Okay, second process, this is a refracted ray, but the total process, this is called emergent ray. Incident ray is AB, okay, and BC is refracted ray, CD is emergent ray. You understood? And this is I1. I1, rarer to denser medium, I1 is greater than R1. This is R1. Okay. In denser to rarer medium, I2. I2 will be lesser than this R2. I2 is lesser than R2 because it is going from denser to rarer. Suppose you take a scale and if you draw like this, this will be parallel. This incident ray and the emergent ray will be parallel to each other. If you do that, your experiment is correct. If you are not done, your experiment is wrong. So experiment carries marks in the lab. Okay, that time you will not get full marks if you don't do it correctly. So this is called lateral dispersion, displacement. This is called lateral displacement. What is lateral displacement? The lateral displacement is the displacement between incident ray and the emergent ray. That is called lateral displacement. All these are very, very important for today's class. And I will send you how to do refraction of light from last year notes. Also, we can check how they have drawn. Okay, or you can see the textbook and draw neatly. Now you understood. So from rarer to denser, denser to rarer. This is very important. Angle of incident is greater than angle of refraction. And in second case, angle of incident is lesser than angle of refraction. All these are important. Lateral displacement is also important. When you draw neatly, you will get. Okay, you use scale, pencil, and you can draw. Okay, so that's all. That's all physics today. I'll recall if you want. Yeah, tell me. We will go through detail. We go through detail. Today we are learning refraction of light, effects of light, and refraction of light through glass lab. Okay, so this much you can write it in classwork, and then we can. I'll give you homework also so that you continue learning physics from beginning to end. You learn. Okay, next physics class I will ask you. So your homework will be. What's your homework? You have Apurva's book, children. Last year's book PDF.
Yes.
Then in that you check.
Only first chapter sources of energy you send, ma'am.
Okay, I will write the notes and send. Define refraction of light is the first question. I'll write and send. Effects of refraction also I will send. Or okay, effects of refraction of light. Second question. Third question. Refraction through the glass slab. Okay, these are all class work. But then homework, some thought-provoking question I will send. Read thought-provoking questions. That means how do you think the stars appears to twinkle? Like that thought-provoking question I'll give you here, so that you will do the homework. That's all, children. Tomorrow we have maths class only. One period only physics they are given. We'll do slowly. Don't worry. Okay. Shall we? Tell me any other doubt is there?
Physics test.
No, ma'am.
We have not written any test.
No, ma'am.
A concave
Concave mirror.
Concave.
About concave mirror we wrote, ma'am.
We wrote one, ma'am.
Ray diagram.
concave mirror we wrote, right? Okay, concave mirror, that is very important. Now refraction through glass. After this, we will continue. After this, we will have one test.
Yes, ma'am.
After refraction of light. Now refraction of light, you need to draw on your own and check. Once you see and draw in classwork, one time you without seeing you draw and see. Okay, how incident ray is, how refracted ray, how emergent ray you draw and see. Okay. We'll have test afterwards. We can have Google form test also. One self-evaluation on Google form test. Next week we'll keep till year we'll keep refraction till year we'll keep a test. One next week. No Saturdays I will give. Saturdays I will give, because maths physics period we can't waste. Saturday anyway no maths period. No, you tell the time, I'll send the questions.
Ma'am, the Saturday test, ma'am.
This Saturday physics test. Okay, va?
Thank you. Okay, ma'am.
From beginning to end.
Google form, ma'am.
Both.
Sources of energy also, ma'am.
No. Source of energy I will teach you. Physics test this Saturday. Okay. Google form is only half an hour. Afterwards, another half an hour I will tell you to draw. I'll tell you to draw the diagrams, write self-evaluation test also. Okay, both Saturday. Keep learning physics also. Math, AP we have to complete and then test. Okay. Okay, children. You can leave.
Thank you.
You don't want to leave. You don't want to leave. What do you have next class? Civics, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.